These 3 pages can completely give you your life back. These 3 pages can allow you to never have to ask anybody to buy, never have to bother a friend and family, never have to DM anybody for a customer, and literally never have to friend request people and slide into their comments. This does all of the work for you because I have built my business and I've never heard the word no. It's fully automated, and I'm going to cover what that is. And this system is literally out there working for you 24/7. So check this out. On average, inside my community, between this page and this page, 1 out of 20 people are buying. So if 1 out of 20 people are buying and you get 20 people a day to put their email in, you guys realize that's 1 customer a day. That's 900 a day in passive daily pay income. That's your freedom. This is how you can stop trading time for dollars. This is one of the first things we want to help you master, how to get 20 people a day to want to learn from you so you can start getting a daily paying customer. So let's talk about mastering that 2-hour income earning activity day. You're going to spend 30 minutes copy and pasting free ads. Yep, free ads. People go to these websites with an intention. They're looking to solve a problem. I recommend starting with 1 platform, and you're going to post 3 pieces of content. And then another 30 minutes between learning, responding to comments, and emails. Then what's going to happen is all of these 3 activities attract people back to your automated business, which that does, again, the work for you, right? Because if you're posting free ads, they're going to put their email in here. If you're doing social media the right way, they're going to want to learn more from you. And again, 1 out of 20 people on average are buying. This is what we master, my friend. Once you can learn these strategies and master this, you will start seeing a consistent flow of new customers coming in. So secret number 2, apply proven strategies to grow your following, grow your email list, and grow your income. You guys, the world is going digital. That is something we can't deny. The digital goods economy is already a gigantic business of over $950 billion market. So the e-learning industry, you guys, did $950 million in 2019, but it averages $1 billion a day in 2023. But check this out. The first quarter of 2024, it's been averaging $1.2 billion a day. It's projected to hit a $3 billion a day industry by 2027. Why am I telling you this? Because you want to promote digital programs that are in high demand. This is part of applying a proven strategy. The strategy is to promote something that people actually want and need and is in high demand. So why promote digital programs? It's a proven program and you can make 100% profit. So let's break that down. Our number 1 selling product right here, this legacy builder, our number 1 selling product is $900. So if you make 100% profit, you know what that means, right? You make $900 when you get a customer. If you are an affiliate marketer or network marketer, you average about 25% profit, which means you get a customer and you make $225. Now let's stop there a minute. I just shared with you a 2-hour income earning activity day. So what if you are an affiliate marketer and you could get all your income earning activities done in 2 hours a day, but you're an affiliate marketer or network marketer, so you only make a 25% profit on average. So you work 2 hours and you made $225. This process, this proven strategy shows you how to make 100% profit. So you are making $900.